Helen?
Hello. You must be Mrs. Incredible.
She was helping me to escape.
No, that's what I was doing. Let go of me. Let go, you lousy, lying, unfaithful creep.
How could I betray the perfect woman?
Oh, you're referring to me now?
Where are the kids?
They might have triggered the alert. What? Security's been sent into the jungle. You better get going. Now our kids are in danger?
Hey, if you suspected danger, why'd you bring
I
them?
didn't bring them. They stowed away. And I don't think you're striking the proper job.
Think you're supers?
Dash, remember what Mom said. What?
Hey, stop talking! Hold it! Freeze!
Dash, run! What? Run! Oh yeah.
What the? They're supers!
Get the boy!
Show yourself!